guys, it's Maggie and welcome to another Around the Year video. It's almost April and it's time for another Plan With Me. For my April theme I chose cowslips because they are so cute, been one of my favorite spring flowers growing up, and also they capture the vibe of April really well for me, like the yellow and greens. I thought they would be the perfect theme for this month and I already got tons of ideas. So let's get started. I already prepared the Dutch door and the month at a glance in advance, so now it's time to decorate. For my cover I'm going to use a very nice calligraphy style title. I did use brush pens, but because of the size of my title I needed to go over it twice anyway, making it in kind of a faux calligraphy style. And then I just added my little cowslips at the bottom. Then on the next page, as usual, we are going to do our habit trackers. And once again, I started out doing like linear horizontal habit trackers where you would just cross off each habit in a row. But lately I've been loving the box style habit trackers where you kind of do a skeleton month, like a skeleton month shape, and then you color in each square or you can cross it off as you come to that day. By the way, I'm still using the Splash of Florals BuJo from my own shop. It's crazy how long it lasts. I'm just over half of the book now and I have high hopes of squeezing in a full 12 months into this BuJo. I think I started it in July of last year, so I hope it's going to last at least till July this year, and I still love the pink cover. If you want to get one for yourself or for a friend, they're still available on my website. I also got some other cute designs to choose from. So if you're interested, click the link below and use the code on screen to save 10%. And then on the back of the Dutch door I just put my goals and focus points, so I will be filling those in later as soon as I figure out my goals for that month. Moving on to my weekly spreads. I always like to do my days of the week on the left and then my to-do list on the right, so this is exactly what I did here as well. And our April setup is done. This is how the April setup turned out. I think it turned out so cute. It's one of my favorite BuJo themes so far. And if you liked this video and want to see my future BuJo setups and ideas, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.